Hi guys, welcome to TechD. In this video, we are going to see how to convert MKV to mp4 using OBS Studio. OBS is a broadcasting software that I used to record my PC screen and make videos like this. To download OBS Studio, search OBS Studio download in your browser. A link in the description. Click the first link. Click the download installer button to download the software. After you download, launch it. I already have OBS Studio. Now open the OBS Studio and click the file menu on the top corner and click remix recordings. Click three dotted button. It will go to the file manager. Now select the MKV file from the file manager and click remix button. It will get converted into mp4 file. Check your file manager. See, my MKV file is converted into mp4 file. Let's see how the video is. That's all. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more tech related videos like this. See you in the next video. Goodbye.